Hello, it's me, LJ, and yeah, it is me, and that was my nickname. I just don't feel similar saying that, by the way. Right now, I have an air horn with sports people on it. Yeah, it's an air horn. It's basically just a horn. Should I do something else with this video? Yeah, I'm just going to do two at a time, and then the next video it's going to be three. And then hold on. Let me see how many videos there are left. One, two. No. One, two, three, four. I have 4 videos left to make for the day. This is an air horn. If you want to hear the noise, it's right here. I'm not going to push it all the way down, and my mother's sick. And then we have the nunchucks. Yeah, nunchucks. They're color black. Yeah, they're nunchucks. There's just something on the back. Sorry, that was my tent. That's what I hit with the barricade, and that's what I hit with the barricade RV10. My tablet isn't able to record fast frames. So right now it just looks like a blur, but it's actually spinning very fast. Like a helicopter. Okay, that's it for this video. If you wanna, I'm going to make an, actually, all this isn't commented, I'm just doing this randomly. After this video streak, you're allowed to comment what you want me to do. But please, like and subscribe this video. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. That was my wall. And that's it for today's video. Oh my gosh, every single time I miss that stop recording button, and that's what the delay is at the end of the video. So goodbye for reals.